Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping Chrome and protecting your data. First, backup bookmarks and passwords so nothing is lost. Export or confirm sync to an account. Next, make sure Chrome is not the default browser and force stop the app in settings so background services don't interfere. Once done, check device storage and note your OS version. This helps choose the right removal method. Finally, disable Chrome sync and sign out. These steps let you remove Chrome without losing important data. You now perform the core removal actions. On many Android phones, go to Settings, Apps, Chrome, and uninstall updates, then clear cache and storage to strip residual data. If the uninstall option is blocked because Chrome is a system app, disable it to prevent launching. When you need full removal, use ADB commands from a computer to uninstall the package at the system level. Make sure USB debugging is enabled. Throughout, revoke permissions so Chrome cannot access contacts, location. You finish by confirming Chrome is gone and restoring normal browsing. Reboot the phone, check the app drawer and app list, and install an alternative browser, then set it as default. If you exported bookmarks or passwords earlier, import them now so you can continue browsing. If something goes wrong, for example Chrome reappears after an update, re-enable the app to recover data, clear Google Play cache, or reinstall updates selectively. This single troubleshooting tip helps you reverse actions safely if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.